Good morning friend. Myself Reena Patel for LJIT. Our subject is alternative fuel and power system in automobile branch. Today we discussion about this chapter number 7, electrical and hybrid vehicle. Today we discussion about the topic is what is a hybrid vehicle, then what is the important component of hybrid vehicle, then also the series and parallel hybrid vehicle, and what is the advantage and disadvantage of hybrid vehicle. Okay, previous lecture we discussion about this only this electrical vehicle. Okay, so what is the electrical vehicle, then basic electrical vehicle diagram, this advantage and disadvantage. Then today we discussion about this only this hybrid vehicle. Okay, first we discussion about the simple basic means what is a hybrid vehicle. Okay, so first hybrid vehicle is a vehicle that use as a hydrogen fuel motive and electrical motor, means in gasoline or diesel to power in IC engine. This hybrid also use in IC engine, means internal combustion engine, and can be fueled like this normal, but also this have been electrical motor or and battery, means main part is electrical motor and battery. Okay, second point is by using this conventional engine and electrical motor. Okay, this hybrid is achieves a significant this better fuel efficiency than this non-hybrid common countership, means they also this pollute or less diverse the more through this fuel saving, means it is a less pollution and also the fuel saving. It is advantage of this hybrid vehicle. Then another is the most advantage of having large battery, means it can recharge their battery from this outlet, allowing them to drive the distance to this electricity before switch to gasoline or diesel. It is known as the plug-in hybrid, means this car can offer is much improve this environment performance and increasing the fuel saving, means the two main advantage is increasing this environmental performance and also the increasing this fuel saving. It's great electricity for gasoline. It is a simple basic to what is a hybrid vehicle. Okay, then second point is what is the important component of hybrid vehicle. Okay, so first you can see the diagram of this important component of hybrid vehicle. So first gasoline engine, this is a different component of hybrid vehicle. This gasoline engine, then fuel tank, then electrical motor, generator, and this battery and transmission. This gasoline engine, the hybrid engine is very small engine because it is increasing the efficiency in advanced technology. This better performance of this increasing efficiency, it is a part of gasoline engine. Then fuel tank, means in gasoline engine this fuel tank to store this energy is the gasoline engine. Okay, then electrical motor, means to produce the power, means store this energy to provide this power and to electrical motor, and also the generator. Generator is same part of this electrical motor, means to provide this electrical power is not produced, so you can use as a generator and produce the power as a provide this power. And this battery, means battery is rechargeable. This battery means store this energy to recharge this regenerative braking this energy to store this energy to provide this power and battery. And transmission the same manner is conventional car, means just for example Honda inside, it is a part of conventional car. Okay, it is a important component of hybrid vehicle. Okay, then next point is series and parallel hybrids. There is a two types of this hybrid vehicle, series and parallel hybrid. Another is plug-in hybrid vehicle. Mostly you can use as as a series and parallel hybrid. Okay, so first you can see the diagram. What is the main difference between the series and parallel hybrid? You can see the diagram of this series hybrid. Series hybrid and parallel hybrid. Parallel hybrid is a fuel tank to the gasoline engine, and both this also the motor to battery, means there is the same time and same manner to provide this power. Engine and motor is and transmission at the same time. And series hybrid, you can never transmission to the wheel, because you can see the diagram of this difference between this series and parallel hybrid. This engine is motor, means as a provide to the generator. Generator either you can charge as a battery and electrical motor. It never transmitted to engine to directly wheel. Transmission to the wheel. It is the main difference of this series and parallel hybrid vehicle. Okay, this is a first we discussion about this. What is a hybrid vehicle? Then also the what is the important component of this hybrid vehicle? There is a three types of this hybrid vehicle: series hybrid, parallel hybrid, and plug-in hybrid. There is a mostly you can use as a two types, series and parallel hybrid. What is the difference between this series hybrid vehicle and parallel hybrid vehicle? You can see this diagram, and so series hybrid is provide to the generator, and this parallel hybrid is no part is generated to provide. Generator series hybrid is either this generator used as a battery or electrical motor, and parallel hybrid direct both this connect, means engine and motor to battery, means it is a transmission at the same time and to move this car and vehicle. Okay, it is a part of series and parallel hybrid. Then next point is main. So what is the advantage of hybrid vehicle? Okay, the first point is advantage of hybrid vehicle. The environment be friendly. Okay, why is environment be friendly? Means it is a part of natural hybrid vehicle. Okay, so reduce the pollution. Another point is also the financial benefit, means to save this money, to reduce the cost. Hybrid vehicle you can use reduce the emission of these gases. Means this type of gases carbon monoxide, then nitrous oxide, sulfur oxide, nitrous oxide, to reduce the exhaust emission gases. So today our technology is so increasing the use of vehicle transportation, increasing the use as a fuel. So many gases is released to the environment and so many pollution is created. Okay, then another point is less dependence on fossil fuel. Then second is regenerative braking system. This is also the advantage of this hybrid vehicle. It is a part of regenerative braking system. Then also the build from this light material, very light material to build from hybrid vehicle. This is the advantage of this hybrid vehicle. Then another point is what is the disadvantage of hybrid vehicle? The disadvantage of hybrid vehicle, the first point is it is a less power, means so very less power is provided to the hybrid vehicle. Then also this can be very expensive. Initially cost is very high. In future it is a disadvantage of hybrid vehicle. Then also the power handling, it is the other disadvantage of this hybrid vehicle. Then also this higher maintenance cost, means the maintenance cost and service charge is very high compared to other. Okay, then it is a disadvantage of hybrid vehicle. So today we discussion about this chapter number 7, electrical and hybrid vehicles. There is a two different types of this vehicle, electrical and hybrid vehicle. Today we discussion about this, what is a hybrid vehicle. Okay, and what is there is a three types of this hybrid vehicle. Then what is an important component of this hybrid vehicle? Which component? Gasoline engine, then this fuel tank, then electrical motor, generator, battery and transmission. It is a part of component of hybrid vehicle. There is a three types of this hybrid vehicle: series, parallel and plug-in hybrid. The main is today our technology, the series and parallel hybrid. What is the difference between the series and parallel hybrid? Also the series drivetrain and parallel drivetrain. Okay, and what is the advantage and disadvantage of hybrid vehicle? Okay, also